Title: Herbal versus Synthetic Medicines. A complete comparison. Narrator voiceover. Intro. Every day, millions of people rely on medicines to treat illnesses, manage pain, or simply improve their quality of life. But when it comes to choosing between herbal remedies and synthetic drugs, many are left wondering, which is better, safer, or more effective? In this video, we'll break down the origins, advantages, and key differences between herbal and synthetic medicines. From ancient roots to cutting-edge labs, we'll explore how these two worlds of healing stack up against each other. Section 1. Origins. Herbal medicines. From nature's pharmacy, herbal medicine is the oldest form of healthcare in the world. Humans have used plants for healing for over 60,000 years, dating back to ancient civilizations like the Egyptians, Greeks, Chinese, and Indians. These remedies are made from plant parts, leaves, roots, bark, seeds, or flowers, and are often prepared as teas, tinctures, powders, or capsules. The belief is that plants contain natural compounds that work synergistically to restore balance in the body. Examples from history. Willow bark, used by ancient Egyptians for pain, contains salicin, which inspired the development of aspirin. Turmeric, used in Ayurveda for inflammation, contains curcumin, a powerful antioxidant. Ginkgo biloba, from Chinese medicine, is believed to improve memory and circulation. Traditional systems like Ayurveda, traditional Chinese medicine, Unani continue to use herbs as primary treatment tools. Synthetic medicines. Born in the laboratory in contrast. Synthetic medicines are created through chemical synthesis. They are engineered in labs, often starting with raw chemical ingredients. While some are inspired by natural substances, others are completely artificial. The first synthetic drug ever created was chloral hydrate in 1869. But the real revolution came in the 20th century with antibiotics, like penicillin, and fully synthetic drugs like paracetamol. Fun fact, many synthetic drugs are based on natural compounds. Aspirin equals inspired by salicin and willow bark. Morphine equals modeled after alkaloids in the opium poppy. Tamoxifen, a breast cancer drug, is synthesized, but inspired by plant estrogens. Section 2. Advantages and benefits. Advantages of herbal medicines. Natural origin herbal medicines are derived from plant materials, often without heavy processing or chemical alteration. For many, this offers peace of mind that they're using something natural. Holistic healing. Herbal medicine systems often target the root cause of illness, not just symptoms. They look at lifestyle, diet, and overall balance in the body. Fewer side effects because herbs contain multiple compounds. They can sometimes be gentler than single-ingredient drugs. For example, ginger for nausea often causes fewer side effects than pharmaceutical anti-nausea meds. Chronic condition support. Herbal remedies can help manage chronic illnesses like joint pain, hormonal imbalance, anxiety, especially when used long-term and under professional guidance. Lower cost and accessibility, especially in rural or underdeveloped regions. Herbal remedies may be more affordable and accessible. Limitations. Potency varies by plant quality, harvest time, and preparation. Lack of regulation in many countries. Slower acting compared to synthetic drugs. Potential interactions with prescription medicines. Advantages of synthetic medicines. Precision and consistency. Every tablet of a synthetic drug contains a precise amount of active ingredient, ensuring predictable effects. Fast action. Many synthetic drugs are designed for rapid relief, which is crucial in emergencies. Think painkillers, antibiotics, insulin, or chemotherapy drugs. Scientifically tested synthetic drugs must pass rigorous clinical trials, including safety, efficacy, and dosage studies, before they're approved for use. Complex condition treatment. Conditions like cancer, heart disease, severe infections, and neurological disorders often require synthetic pharmaceuticals that act on specific biological targets. Mass production and global availability. Once developed, synthetic drugs can be produced in large quantities and distributed globally. Limitations can have serious side effects. Risk of dependency. Some contribute to antibiotic resistance. Expensive R&D often raises prices. Section 3. Herbal vs. Synthetic. The comparison feature herbal medicine. Synthetic medicine source plants chemicals. Processing minimal, extensive synthesis, affects speed. Slower, faster side effects, generally fewer, can be significant testing traditional use. Limited clinical trials rigorously tested in labs and trials costs usually lower, often higher usage preventive. Holistic care targeted. Acute treatments standardization varies by plant. Source highly standardized Section 4. Scientific perspective. Research shows that nearly 40% of pharmaceutical drugs are derived from or inspired by natural sources. Yet only about 10 to 15% of the world's plant species have been studied for medicinal use. World Health Organization reports that up to 80% of people in developing countries rely on herbal medicine as their primary health care. At the same time, synthetic medicines remain vital for conditions where speed, precision, or specific targeting is necessary. Conclusion. So which is better? The truth is, both herbal and synthetic medicines have value. One offers the wisdom of nature and tradition, and the other, the power of precision and science. The best approach. Integrated medicine, using the strengths of both, guided by qualified healthcare professionals. Whether it's a cup of chamomile tea or a life-saving antibiotic, the goal is the same: to heal, restore, and protect. Talkro. Have you tried herbal medicine? Do you trust synthetic drugs more? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more science-backed health videos. References: WHO? Traditional Medicine Strategy? NIH Herbal Supplements? What to Know? National Geographic? Healing Plants. Journal of Ethnopharmacology, Harvard Health Publishing?